This is why it has to be outdoors and nature. Like, this is all here. Nature did it. It's so simple. It's not Vegas. It's not like these manufactured places that are like overwhelming the senses. You know, it's like this is just the right amount of stimulation right here. It's like the sound. I mean, definitely being in the outdoors, like this moment right now, just like, I mean, look at these colors. This is insane. You know, hold on, like I have to take it. This right here, do you see that? Do you see the composition of the, it's really amazing. Like the way that the leaves in the trees. Wow. Yeah. A moment of introspection for them, you know, because we're all moving through life, right? And then, but when we hit something that causes us to pause and think, right? And introspect, right? Then you're processing more, you're slowing down. I think the strongest feeling I have when I'm in that moment is gratitude. Like, I am just grateful for being in it. Really like appreciating, you know, like this morning when I did this 13-mile run up a mountain, you know, when we got to the top, like we just sat there and we like appreciated where we came from, the energy that it took to get here, you know, and to like stay there and savor it. Even as I was tired coming down the mountain, my legs are so tired, you know, like thoughts would creep my head to wanting to be done, and I would catch myself and say, no, stay in it. Stay in this, like live this tired leg moment, you know? Yeah, like enjoy it, because it's gonna be done. It's gonna end. Don't try to get it to end sooner than it needs to.
Okay, that's quite a friend. That's quite a friend. Oh, shit.
They're not always with me, so I can take them on this journey.
Oh my gosh, quite a friend. It's insane. Okay.
Wow, the light is so beautiful right here. What I try to go find is giving people what they didn't know that they needed or wanted. That when they look at it, they're like, wow, I didn't know I needed to see a tree with amazing orange, brown, yellow leaves in this perspective. Whether it be a visual or it could be something that I wrote in there, you know, like a caption, and like they read it and they didn't go seeking for this, but they saw it and they said, well, but this is what I needed at this moment.